Good day everyone, this is your teacher Mama Doko, and for our lesson video in statistics, I will be discussing the different types of distributions. Frequency distribution can assume many shapes, and there are three most important shapes, namely the positively skewed, symmetric, and the negatively skewed. And later on, I will show you histogram of each different distributions. And let me add something before I proceed to our topic. The distribution is said to be skewed when the majority of the data values fall to the left or right of the mean. And also the tail of the curve indicates the direction of skewness. Right is positive and left is negative. In positively skewed or right skewed distribution, we can see that the majority of the data values fall to the left of the mean and cluster at the lower end of the distributions. And also the tail is to the right. The mean is to the right of the median and the mode is to the left of the median. For example, if a teacher gave an examination and most of the students got the filling mark on that exam, their scores would tend to cluster on the left side of the distribution. A few high scores would constitute the tail of the distribution, which would be on the right side. In a symmetric distribution, the data values are evenly distributed both sides of the mean. When the distribution is unimodal, by the way, unimodal is when the data set that has only one value that occurs with the greatest frequency. So when the distribution is unimodal, the mean, median, and the mode are the same and are at the center of the distribution. Example of symmetric distributions are the height of adult males. When the majority of the data value falls to the right of the mean and cluster at the upper end of the distribution with the tail to the left, the distribution is negatively skewed or left skewed. The mean is to the left of the median and the mode is to the right of the median. For example, if the majority of the students' score is very high on teachers' examinations, these scores would tend to cluster to the right of the distribution. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. Have a nice day and bye-bye.